Alright, y'all. My better half is recording as well, so y'all may hear him a little bit in the background. But before I go do this stuff with my hair, y'all, I gotta eat. So I got some oatmeal. It looks really dry right now. It just came out of the microwave. It is dry. I'm about to make it undry. So I like to use honey. Now, if you've seen this brand of honey, y'all can be like, oh, that's expensive. But it's good, and you only need this much, okay? So I'm about to use a little bit of honey. There's the coffee. And I'm going to pour my egg whites into a cup. Yes, I did say that. Because me personally, egg whites don't have a taste. I don't feel like cooking eggs. It's time efficient and I don't have to worry about chewing. One thing about bodybuilding that they don't tell you is it's a lot of eating involved, and I ain't gonna lie, that get old real quick. I rather just drink my egg whites, eat my oatmeal, and drink me some coffee. Once I'm done with that, then I'm gonna take out to the store with me. But yeah, we gotta eat before we go do anything, cause your girl might pass out. Cause that workout last night was kind of late, and my legs are still kind of swole and pumped from that. So I'm gonna eat, get back with y'all. We're gonna do the thing. He's still recording. Finally made it to Whole Foods where all the magic happens. So I'm gonna show y'all what all I get. We're probably gonna blend this up probably tomorrow. I ain't about to lie. Alright, $1.99. Whole Foods is not that expensive. It just depends on what you come in here to get. And I'm about to just get one of these. Alright, so same thing. You just need one of these. It's $1.99. It tells you like what's good. You want the kind that's great for guacamole because you're putting this in your hair and you want to be nice and soft. Oh yeah, this one nice and good. Oh yeah, last but not least, coconut milk. I normally get the canned one, which is $1.89. And all this stuff is under $10. It's organic, homemade, and promotes hair growth. Okay, y'all, so we got everything from Whole Foods. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go home, like I said, mix everything up. I already have olive oil at the house. Free poo is like, I'm gonna take olive oil and I'm going to pretty much like detangle my hair before I shampoo it, because the shampoo does like strip your hair of like all this moisture and stuff like that. So I'm going to do that with the olive oil, but then I'm going to wash my hair and going to apply the deep conditioner. Deep conditioner stays in for like 30 minutes to an hour, and y'all are going to see me apply all that and do all those steps. I just got out of the shower. I got a little bit of soap still in the front. I mean, I'm not really worried about that because I'm going to get it out. Now it's time to put the deep conditioner to work. I'm going to blend it, mix it, let y'all see the steps, apply it because my hair is still wet. You want to apply while your hair is still wet. And once I apply it, I'm going to put a plastic bag over. I'm going to also let it sit for like an hour. Then I'm going to rinse it out in the sink with some cold water and end the video there. My homegirl is supposed to be coming over to do my hair, so I'm going to let her style it and everything. So I'm just going to like leave it kind of in a damp state. I'll probably use my little microfiber towel, or who knows, I might just take this t-shirt and wrap it around my head until she gets here. see, this can get slimy. All of that in here. That I'm going to throw this away. I'm going to put the avocado in it next. Now it's nice and soft. And I'm going to add just a little bit of coconut milk. Okay, y'all, with the coconut milk, I'm only gonna add like a little bit because I still want it to be a thick consistency, like a deep conditioner. And let's blend this bad boy. Now I know some people are like, why is she using this little blender? It's a cheap $12 blender. You use it for hair products and that's it. Actually, I didn't even buy this. My man bought this. So this is the consistency. It's not as thick as I wanted it to be. Let's see. It's thickening up. Alright, so this is what it look like, and let's go apply it to the hair. Okay, y'all, this is a very, very messy process. I'm not just pouring this on my head. I'm going to section it off, I'm going to detangle, and then I'm going to put this plastic bag on my head, and I'm going to let this sit for like 30 minutes to an hour. So this is it. Like, your hair should look nice and moisturized. That is the goal of a deep conditioner, is to put moisture back into your hair and to promote hair growth. Your hair needs moisture. It needs a clean start, fresh clean start. So every 2 weeks I try to do this. I suggest you apply this, you know, as needed. Everybody's hair texture is not the same. Pretty much it for my wash day routine. I what they call pre-poo with the olive oil. I shampoo and condition my hair with whatever shampoo and conditioner I have at the time. Try to make sure it's sulfate free, and then I apply my deep conditioner, and then I rinse it out, and then I style my hair, and that's pretty much it. I've been doing this for like I want to say like 3 months consistently. So consistency is the key, just like anything. Alright, I'm gonna let this sit for 1 hour, so that'll be just in time for my friend to get off work. And once I let this sit, I am going to rinse it out with cold water and this handy dandy sink, and that'll be it. And y'all can see how my hair is looking. Alright, y'all, before I rinse this out, like, share, comment, subscribe. I always forget to say that. But yeah, my friend on the way. It's been about an hour, so let's rinse it out. Okay, y'all, so I just used a freaking t-shirt because I couldn't find my microfiber towel, and this is what my hair is looking like. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Oh, my hair feels so good and soft and like, oh my gosh, it's really curly, which I like. But anyways, like, share, comment, subscribe. Until next time, Muscle Bunny. I gotta roll it up for y'all. Until next time, Muscle Bunny is out. She knocking all hard and